Hello friends, welcome to All About Humans YouTube channel. Today we will see about how to lose weight fast. There are many ways to lose a lot of weight fast. That said, many diet plans will leave you feeling hungry or unsatisfied. These are major reasons why you might find it hard to stick to a diet. However, not all diets have this effect. Low carb diets are effective for weight loss and may be easier to stick to than other diets. Here is a 3-step weight loss plan that employ a low carb diet and aims to significantly reduce your appetite, cause fast weight loss, improve your metabolic health at the same time. Number 1. Cut back on carbs. The most important part is to cut back on sugars and starches or carbohydrates. When you do that, your hunger levels go down and you generally end up eating significantly fewer calories. Instead of burning carbs for energy, your body now starts burning stored fat for energy. Another benefit of cutting carbs is that it lowers insulin levels, causing your kidneys to shed excess sodium and water. This reduces bloating and unnecessary water weight. According to some dietitians, it's not uncommon to lose up to 10 pounds, that is 4.5 kgs, or sometimes more in the first week of eating this way. This weight loss includes both body fat and water weight. One study in the healthy woman with obesity reported that a very low carb diet was more effective than a low fat diet for short term weight loss. Research suggests that a low carb diet can reduce your appetite, which may lead you to eat fewer calories without thinking about it or feeling hungry. Put simply, reducing carbs can lead to quick, easy weight loss. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Each one of your meals should include a protein source, fat source, and low carb vegetables. As a general rule, try eating 2 to 3 meals per day. If you find yourself hungry in the afternoon, add a fourth meal. Constructing your meal in this way should bring your carb intake down to around 20 to 50 grams per day. Protein. Eating plenty of protein is an essential part of this plan. Evidence suggests that eating lots of protein may boost your calorie expenditure by 80 to 100 calories per day. High protein diets can also reduce cravings and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%, reduce the desire to snack late at night by half, and make you feel full. In one study, people on a higher protein diet ate 441 fewer calories per day. When it comes to losing weight, protein is a crucial nutrient to think about. Healthy protein sources include meat such as beef, chicken, pork, and lamb, fish and seafood such as salmon, trout, and shrimp, eggs such as whole egg with the yolk, plant-based proteins such as beans, legumes, and soy, etc. Low carb vegetables. Don't be afraid to load your plate with low carb vegetables. They are packed with nutrients and you can eat very large amounts without going over 20 to 50 net carbs per day. A diet based mostly on lean protein sources and vegetables contain all the fiber, vitamins, and minerals you need to be healthy. Many vegetables are low in carbs, including broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce, and cucumber. Healthy fats. Don't be afraid of eating fats. Trying to do low carb and low fat at the same time can make sticking to the diet very difficult. Sources of healthy fats include olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and butter. Lift weights 3 times per week. You don't need to exercise to lose weight on this plan, but it will have extra benefits. By lifting weights, you will burn lots of calories and prevent your metabolism from slowing down, which is a common side effect of losing weight. Studies on low carb diets show that you can gain a bit of muscle while losing significant amount of body fat. Try going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week to lift weights. If you are new to the gym, ask a trainer for some advice. If lifting weights is not an option for you, doing some cardio workout like walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming will suffice. Both cardio and weightlifting can help with weight loss. Try doing a carb refeed once per week. If you need to, you can take one day off per week where you eat more carbs. Many people choose to do this on Saturday. It's important to stick to healthy carb sources like oats, rice, quinoa, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and fruit. If you must have a cheat meal and eat something unhealthy, do it on this day. Limit this to one higher carb day per week. If you aren't reducing carbs enough, you might not experience weight loss. You might gain some water weight during your refeed day, and you will generally lose it again the next 1 or 2 days. What about calories and portion control? It's not necessary to count calories as long as you keep your carb intake very low and stick to protein, fat, and low carb vegetables. However, if you want to count them, you can use any one of the free online calculators. It's available in the Play Store. Here are 10 more tips to lose weight faster. Eat a high protein breakfast. Eating a high protein breakfast could reduce your cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juice. These are among the most fattening things you can put into your body. Drink water before meals. One study showed that drinking water a half hour before meals increased weight loss by 44% over 3 months. Choose weight loss friendly foods. Some foods are better for weight loss than others. Eat soluble fiber. Studies show that soluble fibers may promote weight loss. Fiber supplements like glucomannan can also help. Drink coffee or tea. Caffeine boosts your metabolism by 3 to 11%. Base your diet on whole foods. They are healthier, more filling, and much less likely to cause overreacting than processed foods. Eat slowly. Eating quickly can lead to weight gain over time, while eating slowly makes you feel more full and boosts metabolism. Weigh yourself every day. Studies show that people who weigh themselves every day are much more likely to lose weight and keep it off for a long time. Get good quality sleep. Sleep is important for many reasons, and poor sleep is one of the biggest risk factors for weight gain. How fast you will lose weight? You may lose 5 to 10 pounds, that is 2.3 to 4.5 kgs of weight, or sometimes more in the first week of the diet plan, and then lose weight consistently after that. If you are new to dieting, weight loss may happen more quickly. The more weight you have to lose, the faster you will lose it. Some people experience the keto flu or low carb flu. It's usually over within a few days. After the first few days, most people report feeling very good with even more energy than before. Aside from weight loss, the low carb diet can improve your health in many ways. Blood sugar levels tend to significantly decrease on low carb diets. Triglycerides tend to go down, LDL cholesterol goes down, HDL cholesterol goes up. Blood pressure improves significantly. Low carb diets can be as easy to follow as low fat diets. This is for this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.